Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 topics, all of which are related to interior design trends. We're going to start with hottest interior design trends, followed by home decor trends, and then finally interior design color trends. Also, watch the whole video till the end to know about outdated interior design trends. So, let's get started. We've kept an eye on the best in the interior design industry and spotted a few recurring home decorating trends. The interior design world will certainly embrace character, a connection to nature, and sustainable practices. Any other trends align with the principles emitted by this powerful trio. Nature-inspired reigns supreme as designers, homeowners, and businesses gravitate towards bringing the outdoors in. We're talking lush greenery, earthy colors, eco-friendly materials, and a soothing atmosphere. It's fitting too, as sustainability is also cementing its spot in interior design trends. Also, these maximalism and personality-rich interiors are also climbing the ranks. Green living is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle. Eco-conscious interior design takes center stage, enveloping many other trends. Biophilic elements, sustainable materials, and living walls will bring the outdoors in. Nature-inspired elements and design improve well-being, highlight a connection with nature, and awaken a sense of responsibility towards the environment. Embracing the trend could be as easy as keeping windows bare to delight in the view, including pot plants, and being environmentally conscious in your design choices. Tiles make a statement from wall to floor. Expect oversized, large-scale tiles with high tactile quality and handmade unique decor. Dramatic patterns, new compositions, and unexpected layouts will add a sense of grandeur and personality to spaces. Plus, flooring and wall tiles can make just as stunning a focal point as a typical feature wall. One of the interior design trends for this year that is sure to stick around embraces productivity. The home office isn't going anywhere. It's becoming a permanent fixture in homes. With remote work here to stay, people are investing in ergonomic furniture, soundproofing, and stylish design to make their workspaces more functional and inspiring. And that's why furniture and decor for these spaces are also branching out. So you can look forward to stunning office chairs, bespoke lighting, and much more to make these interiors stand out and fit your every need. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. Traditional design gets a fun makeover. We are seeing a return of classic elements but with a fresh twist. Now, timeless spaces also embrace contemporary functionality and atmosphere. Ornate furniture can complement an eclectic layout but also feel toned down and casual, typical of modern interiors. Smart living can also merge the charm of the past with the comforts of the future. In line with the green trend of inviting the outdoors, lighting follows suit. In fact, a sunny ambience is the ultimate design accessory. Welcome the benefits of natural light into your home. Think large windows, skylights, and strategically placed mirrors amplify the effect. Not only do natural lit interiors feel inviting and airy, they also encourage vitamin D productions, focus, and well-being. You can maximize natural light with light color schemes and reflective surfaces like mirrors and shimmery accent pillows. There's something soothing and alluring about smooth surfaces and neat interiors. Clutter-free and simplified living spaces never go out of style. They only get better and better. One of the most balanced interior design trends is warm minimalism. This serene design style promotes mindfulness and slowing down. It perfectly balances simplicity, functionality, comfort, and style. Finally, authenticity is becoming a key pillar for interior design and will stick around beyond these trends. Character and personality attract, and when it comes to interiors, what's unique draws you in as every piece tells you a story. Vintage finds, artisanal craftsmanship, and personalized decor bring the warmth and individuality to homes. Let your home reflect your personality and likes. Focus on embracing the beauty of imperfections, of becoming and highlighting your unique preferences. Smart tech continues to revolutionize how we live. In the coming year, technology seamlessly integrates into our surroundings, enhancing comfort and convenience even more. From voice-activated light design trends and smart glass to AI-driven home management, these innovations make daily life easier, more efficient, and undeniably cool. The future of home decor is where creativity knows no bounds and innovation redefines the essence of living spaces. Dopamine decor creates spaces that trigger happiness and delight. Bold, vibrant colors, whimsical patterns, and playful elements take the spotlight. This trend is immensely appealing because it taps into the human desire for joy and positivity, making every day feel like a celebration. Mid-century modern holds on to its everlasting appeal straight through. Its timeless allure lies in the perfect blend of sleek lines, organic shapes, and functional design. These pieces are not just aesthetically pleasing but also tell a story of an era that valued nature, simplicity, and innovation. Mirrors with organic, irregular shapes and oversized dimensions are in vogue because they can drive a bold statement in any room. These mirrors add depth, intrigue, and a touch of glamour, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. Plus, it's one of the home decor trends that are the easiest to include in your interior. Go big and playful. Chunky and fun accents like oversized vases, sculptural furniture, and quirky decor pieces are capturing hearts. They add a touch of whimsy to any space while still exuding sophistication. This is the way to go if you want to infuse personality and a style pop. But be sure to keep your design balanced by pairing it with smaller accents or more subdued tones. Thanks to its effortless elegance and complementing forms, flowy furniture with organic shapes and curvy linear designs is all the rage. Whether it's a round sofa, sweeping chaise, or Art Nouveau lamp, these pieces offer comfort and visual appeal, making them popular for creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Curvy, flowy shapes are also set on dressing home decor trends beyond this year. Rugs aren't just for coverings, they're works of art. Unique, eye-catching rug designs will add personality and warmth to any space. Similar to other home decor trends, statement rugs can transform a room, creating a focal point that ties the entire scheme together. Hidden lights and sculptural lighting fixtures will be elevating interiors the world over. They can add an artistic touch and pleasant ambience while providing functional illumination. These home decor trends pave the quick way to making a statement, turning an ordinary space into something mesmerizing. Interior design color trends are taking a vibrant turn, celebrating individuality and creativity through a rich tapestry of colors. Beige and ivory are making a triumphant comeback, but with a twist. These timeless hues now embrace modern textures and bold accents, offering classic elegance with a fresh contemporary appeal. Their versatility and timeless charm are perfect for a sophisticated yet inviting air. Drawing inspiration from a playful Barbiecore aesthetic, jovial colors like bubblegum pink and bright turquoise are all the rage in interior design trends. These bold and vivacious shades inject an unapologetic sense of fun and energy into interiors, creating spaces that radiate positivity. Mustard and olive, reminiscent of the retro era, are having a moment. These earthy tones bring a warm, nostalgic feel to modern interiors. They provide a perfect blend of nostalgia and contemporary design, perfect for a touch of vintage aesthetics. Two or tri-tone color schemes are among the top interior design color trends. These trending combos add depth and complexity to spaces. Plus, soft, harmonious tones create a sense of balance and visual interest without overwhelming the eye. These palettes offer serene yet captivating ambience, great for big impact in minimalist styles. Bedrooms and bathrooms will boast soft black tones. The dramatic hue exudes sophistication and elegance, making it ideal for creating moody focal points or a sleek and modern look. Its adaptability to various design styles cements its status as a top trend. It's also ideal for creating an intimate air in a living room. Channeling Paris's chic and romantic air, a suave grey is a top decorating color trend. The muted, sophisticated grey paints beautifully with various colors and materials, creating an atmosphere of understated luxury. It's a must-have if you love timeless charm and refinement. Now, let's talk about what you've all been waiting for, the part of the video where we talk about outdated interior design trends. Say goodbye to the monotony of single color rooms. Interior design is all about embracing diversity and blending contrasting elements to create visually stimulated spaces. Monotone furniture and decor are outdated because they lack the personality and vibrancy. Caning and wicker furniture may evoke nostalgia, but they belong to the bygone era. These materials are falling out of favor due to their limited versatility and susceptibility to wear and tear. Modern interiors are shifting towards more durable and innovative materials. Bid adieu to old-school recessed lights and embrace trending hidden lighting instead. Recessed lights fall out of style because they can cast a harsh shadow and lack the subtle charm concealed lighting fixtures bring. The alternative can also highlight the stunning decorating trends while enhancing the room's overall aesthetics. Boucle fabrics are fading away as they are considered less versatile and more prone to wear than other textiles. Interior design trends now lean towards softer, more durable fabrics that can withstand the test of time and frequent use. The all-white trend, while timeless, is losing its appeal. It's seen as sterile and lacking personality. Design enthusiasts are opting for bolder and more expressive color schemes to infuse character and warmth into their living spaces. Faux lime-wash walls, while attempting to mimic a rustic look, are outdated due to their inauthenticity. Interior design values real, natural materials over faux imitations. Authenticity in design choices is key to creating a truly remarkable and lasting space. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.